We're growing mint, we're growing tomatoes, watching the neighbor work on machines. You know I don't believe in miracles or in destiny. You watch the water pool at the back door, and so you drained it all to the street. Isn't it funny how everything boils down to a want or a need? Ain't it sweet that you never had another bad dream, that it got you out of East Tennessee, that the world isn't as tough as it seems? Would you share a little fortune with me? We're taking samples from lemonade stands. We find the fastest route to the lake. Aren't the people here happily unaware of the scenes they create? You wanna take a Polaroid picture so we get all our friends in line. Isn't it funny how everyone settles down for a moment in time? Ain't it fine that we're never wide awake before 9, that our future is the only deadline, that we never left each other behind? Would you share a little fortune tonight? La, 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 la. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Ain't it sweet that you never had another bad dream, that it got you out of East Tennessee, that the world isn't as tough as it seems? Would you share a little fortune with me? My socks are running down my ankles and my shirt is kinda damp. My purse fell off the handles, now I'm using rubber bands. My only friends are smoking menthols and it's feeling kinda cramped, 'cause I gave up all my shortfalls just to get them second hand. I'm making conversation that I'd give a 7 out of 10. Minimal hesitation, this might be the best one yet. My wheels are turning, but I'm burning through the archives in my head. Nothing is too discerning, give them what they already expect. And you can say we're all the same, but I know there's glass to break, and I must be on the other side. I'm calling out to passersby, teach me how to be someone, writing up the plus one. Don't leave me on the other side. I'm wasting TV shows 'cause lately I can't seem to stay awake. Keep on giving me free throws, I'll keep giving them away. My entertainment comes from playing the same 3 songs on repeat. Can't seem to get away from everything I said I wouldn't be. And you could say it's just a phase, but I've always been this way. And I must be on the other side. I'm calling out to passersby, teach me how to be someone, writing out the plus one. Don't leave me on the other side. Teach me how to be someone, writing out the plus one. the handles, now I feel undignified. My only friends are smoking menthols, but I hardly even mind, 'cause I gave up all my shortfalls.
Hold me close, look me dead in my eyes, till the day that I die. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive. Fell in love, but it left me lonely. Tried to trust, but it burned me slowly. I didn't know what I was looking for till I found her. I found her. That love that made sense. I was stressed till I found her. I've run for many miles trying to find love from a woman that could love me and never leave my side. And I've run for many miles trying to get away from the things I'm afraid of and everything inside. They say that we're already done, but what does that even mean? Tell me to open my eyes, thank God it was just a dream. I guess that's how you know that it's love, when you're scared to death to leave. Just say that you never leave, baby. Hold me close, look me dead in my eyes, dead inside. Till the day that I die, dead inside. I just wanna feel alive. With you, I'm alive. With you, I'm alive. Fell in love, but it left me lonely. Tried to trust, but it burned me slowly. I didn't know what I was looking for till I found her. I found her. I'm a mess. There was nothing about that love that made sense. I was stressed till I found her.
To Omaha, he told me some stories about his son-in-law. He spoke just like your parents in a western drawl, if you could even call it that. I told him how we hit the Iowa State Fair. I felt a little like an alien out there. It's crazy how much he resembled ya. Guess that's the comfort of middle America. And I know you're away and out achieving something. Found your own saving grace and she's cute as a button. And I'm still a basket case, but that's the life that I picked. You're not the one that got away, you're just the only what if. He gave a smile as he waved goodbye. I've seen that same expression about a million times. Godspeed, he said to me with understanding eyes. I never got to know his name. I watched him as he turned to walk away. I thought about you all the way to baggage claim. You can ask fire to stick around in pouring rain. Guess that's either a blessing or an awful shame. And I know you're away and out achieving something. Found your own saving grace and she's cute as a button. And I'm still a basket case, but that's the life that I picked. You're not the one that got away, you're just the only what if. just made the best of it. And I know you're away and out achieving something. Found your own saving grace and she's cute as a button. Aren't you glad I gave my place to someone worthy of it? You're not the one that got away, you're just the only what if.
Maybe I'm not some chosen one, but damn it, I'm my father's son, and that's something I'm pretty proud to be. The colder days have drawn their guns, the warmer days are on the run, and I hate that I'm stuck right in between. I turn my gray skies blue, just trying to be like you. Going top down in that old Mercedes, music loud, go ahead and hate me. Spare the nickel, I'll just keep the dime. Find ways to cut the fat, hot coffee and a Trident pack. Damn it, it's so good to be alive. Heroes come to save a mess. You sewed those inside my chest and found a way to soak up all the stains. Got all my anger bottled up, a drop away to fill that cup, but anymore and I might go insane. Oh, I'll turn my gray skies blue, just trying to be like you. Going top down in that old Mercedes, music loud, go ahead and hate me. Spare the nickel, I'll just keep the dime. Find ways to cut the fat, hot coffee and a Trident pack. Damn it, it's so good to be alive. Good to be alive.
Makes me wish that you were here when my eyes go away, when my time goes. I had a dream of a boy who loved me, and we danced in the leaves of an orange tree. Late as we walked, oh, we laughed while we talked, and we thought of the leaves of an orange tree. And I went my own way, and you crossed the highway. But just maybe someday we'll be my pretty. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here when my mind goes away. Oh, I hope that you'll be near me. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here when my eyes go away, when my time. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here when my mind goes away. Oh, I hope that you'll be near me. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here when my eyes go away, when my time. Maybe one day I'll end up in a place where I'm not afraid and the sun never sleeps. No sad goodbyes and no fights and no maybe then we can be my pretty. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here. When my mind goes away, oh, I hope that you'll be near me. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here. When my eyes go away, when my time. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here. When my mind goes away, oh, I hope that you'll my time. Flowers in my hair makes me wish that you were here. When my eyes go away, when my time goes.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, O Lord. There will come a poet whose weapon is his word. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will slay you with his tongue. Olay, olay, O Lord. There will come a ruler whose brow is bleeding corn. Spirit of the Lord, our David's boy. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. Spirit of the Lord, our David's boy. Olay, olay, O Lord. Olay, 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 O Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay. I still taste you on my lips, lovely bitter water, terrible fire, old bread is honey on my tongue. And I know I shouldn't love you, I know I shouldn't love you, but I do.
I feel it in my soul. I feel the empty hole, the cup that can't be filled. And I feel it in
my blood, in the fire and the flood, the peace that can't kill. Even now you mark my steps, a lovely bitter water. All the days of our delights are poison in my veins, and I know I shouldn't love you, I know.
On the day heaven tried to take my soul, you came down like in fairy tales of old. I said, open your white wings for me, and you said, close your eyes and just believe. You're made of darkness and fire, my friend. I think the world may be coming to an end, but when heaven and hell do collide, know that I'll always be there by your side. You know I'd follow you through hell and fight off demons as well. You beat your wings and cast a spell, I'll run away with you. And I said, hallelujah, running to you. They won't find us, you and I can watch the stars fall from the sky. All clothed in white, my shard of light. Let's go together, we'll be free. The world ends eventually, so come with me. Take my hand and we'll face the end of time. Let's take a stand against fate's design. I said I can't bear to see the end, and you said close your eyes and count to 10. I knew you'd follow me to hell and fight off angels as well. You beat your wings and cast a spell, I'll run away with you. And I said hallelujah, running to you. They won't find us, you and I can watch the stars fall from the sky. All clothed in white, my shard of light. Let's go together, we'll be free. The world ends eventually, so come with me. And after 6,000 years, if the world disappears, I fight angels and demons to find you, my dear. I hear heavenly sounds in my head when you're near. I'm alright now you're here. And I said hallelujah, running to you. We've escaped them, you and I can fly away and paint the sky. All clothed in white, my shard of light. Let's go together, now we're free. The world ends eventually, so come with me.
I love everybody because I love you. When you stood up, walked away barefoot, and the grass where you lay left a bed in your shape. I looked over it and I ached.
I love everybody because I love you. I don't need the city and I don't need the proof. All I need, darling, is a life in your shape. I picture it soft and I ache. Look at you, strawberry blonde. Reach out the car window, trying to hold the wind. You tell me you love her, I give you a grin. Oh, all I ever wanted was a life in your shape. So I follow the white lines, follow the white lines. Keep my eyes on the road as I ache. Look at you, strawberry blonde. Fields rolling on, I love it when you call my name. Can you hear the bumblebee swarm? Watching your arm, I love it when you look my way. Look at you, strawberry